Hey, are you looking at the 3 best places to buy solo ads? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I'm going to share with you the 3 top sources that you can actually find solo ads to buy. So if you're looking to buy solo ads online, where do you actually go to buy solo ads? I'm going to give you 3 top sites, and the third site is going to be the most powerful site that not everybody knows about, but everybody should, right? And the third site that I'm going to give you is the one that I would get all my traffic from, because you're going to get the best results possible in your solo ad journey, right? So first we have Udimi Solo Ads, which everybody's fairly aware of Udimi, and so that's a platform that has other solo ad vendors and solo ad providers and things like that, where you can go and search. There's like a database, so they're all on the site, and basically you want to go to find sellers, and then you want to make sure this is at 50%, and then when you're scrolling down here, you want to make sure they have a high number of sales. So you want to look at this part, and then you want to look at their reviews, right? You want to make sure they have a decent amount of reviews. So he's been selling a lot, he's been selling a lot, he's been selling a lot, right? So these are all good ones to actually go and look into if you're running traffic, right? So this is how you would actually do it and actually search. You want to make sure it's above 50%. That's what I like to do. The highest amount of sales, is generally what I would do for people if I was looking for solo ads. So this is a site that you can use, and it's free to create an account. So it doesn't cost you anything to use Udimi Solo Ads platform to actually buy solo ads. And then we come over here to Traffic for Me. So Traffic for Me is another solo ads platform. But the thing about Traffic for Me is, if you buy from this platform, it's a broker. So they have different people that they work with in different lists that they assign your campaign to. And when your campaign gets assigned to a list, you won't actually know who's running the traffic for you. So just keep that in mind, that you have less control. If you use Traffic for Me, you don't know who you're actually getting traffic from. They just assign you with the list, and then they run your traffic, right? And you don't get to give any feedback or nothing like that. You don't really have too much control when it comes to Traffic for Me, because you're letting somebody else run your campaigns, and you don't even know who the solo ad vendor is. At least with Udimi Solo Ads, at least over there you know who the vendors are, right? So if you have any issues, if you have any concerns, you can always reach out, and Udimi kind of has you a little bit more protected. With this, you're kind of giving your money to a platform, which it works sometimes, right? They do have good runs. You can get good quality traffic from here, but you just don't know who it's from, right? So they assign you a list, and that's all you know, right? So just keep that in mind whenever you're going and you're buying traffic. No matter where you buy traffic from, what's most important is knowing your stats, right? Because a lot of people come to me and they're like, hey, Gio, I haven't really got the kind of results that I want with solo ads. How do I actually increase my results? Well, a lot of people are missing the point of knowing their stats, knowing how to track stats. A lot of people don't do it, and they don't do it correctly. And then they don't send video to the email list. So if you're running any kind of paid traffic, make sure you send video to your email list. I know solo ad traffic sounds appealing because it's like you have to buy traffic, and then all these leads come into your funnel and you make sales, right? And it seems like it's amazing, right? Because you don't have to do any work and things like that. Well, that's wrong. You do have to do work. You're going to have to make video. You're going to have to connect with people on social media. You're going to have to learn marketing. There's no way in hell that you can hide behind a computer and expect to make 6 figures or more, right? It's not going to happen. So if you look at these people who are just telling you to run solo ads, solo ads is an effective strategy that you can use, but there's a lot more to running solo ads than people tell you, right? And if you want to really know how to do things the correct way, come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and this is my traffic store, and this is where I actually help people to get results online. So if you've been trying to get results online right now, I'm doing a promotion for anybody who gets 500 clicks or above. They actually get 15% over delivery, so you get $575. If you got 1,000 clicks, you would get 1,150. If you got 2,000 clicks, you would actually get 1,000, or 2,300 clicks, right? So you actually get those extra clicks, 75, 150, or 300 when you order those packages right there. So when you come to my traffic store, you'll notice my video right here. If you watch this video, you'll see the testimonials. You'll see some of the results. And this is basically to show you that I do pride myself on quality. So everything that I do is quality, right? So I don't try to put anything out that's not 100% quality. So I hope that you see that and respect that about me. I would never give you nothing that I don't use myself, right? So I want to make sure you get the best results possible. And when you get traffic from me, you're actually getting very high quality traffic. And I want to make sure that the traffic that you're getting is targeted to the offers that you're promoting. I want to also make sure that your landing page and your sales copy are congruent to the offers. And more importantly, I want to make sure that you're getting high quality traffic, right? Because if you just go out and you do it yourself without any help or any assistance, then you're kind of running traffic in the dark and blindly. You could run through a lot of money doing that. And when you get traffic from me, you're getting traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus Solo Ads, and CPA marketing. So that's where you'll be getting a mix of different traffic. And I help you to actually get results, right? So when you order a traffic package from me, you have the option to set up a strategy call. And in that strategy call, we discuss what you're doing in your marketing to get results, what you can improve on, how you can actually get better results, and you actually get feedback on your funnel, right? So a lot of times you'll just give people a link and they won't give you any feedback. They won't care. I'm a little bit different because I never got any help when I first got started in marketing. I was kind of left to figure it all out on my own about 8 years ago. I came online and I didn't really have a mentor because my mentor, as soon as I signed up, went to a different opportunity and I was left to figure things all out on my own. So then I went to YouTube, and when I went to YouTube and I was watching videos just like you are right now, I was told to actually go and run traffic through a funnel, and I would make all these sales and everything would be great, right? So I was very consistent with it for like 2.5 years. At the time I was going to school, working in fast food at night. I would get up, I would go to college, and I didn't have tons of time. So I used credit cards because I didn't have tons of money because I was working in fast food. And fast food jobs, they suck. It's the worst job that anybody could ever have. I give those people that work in those fast food places a lot of credit because it's a real hard job to do, a lot to deal with for minimum pay. It's basically slave labor, right? Legalized, right? So, basically I was doing that, and then I was being consistent with my traffic, and then I found myself racking up the credit card bills, and I found myself going further and further in debt. I would make sales, but the sales would be nowhere close to what I would need to be able to actually be in profit. And so I was like, okay, how am I going to actually make this work? How am I going to make it work in my favor to where I can actually make money online and start seeing results? Well, I knew I needed to get mentorship. And when I got mentorship, that's what changed everything for me. I started to learn marketing. I started to learn processes. I started to learn about bonuses. I started to learn about having a unique branded offer to yourself, being branded on social media. So if you look on my social media, I'm branded everywhere. Those things are very important when you're doing any kind of marketing. People have to know what you do and how you can help them, right? Because their first glance at you is going to tell them a lot about your character, about what you do, about your niche, your industry, right? And people look at that stuff. People pay attention on social media. So you want to be branded and you want to actually have that stuff together when you're connecting with people on Facebook and doing video as well on YouTube. And those are the strategies that I would suggest: YouTube, Facebook, and the email. Basically I want to help you to get as high as conversion rates as you can possibly get. And pretty much when you order from me, I help you to get above a 50% opt-in rate, right? Which that's a goal, to get above 50%. My highest to date is 85%, or it's 90%, but it says 85% on here. It's 90% opt-in rate. That's the first testimonial on this page. So if you scroll down, you'll see that testimonial on this page as well. It only happened one time, but I could say I did it because it happened once. And it's really amazing that I could say that. I'm very proud of it. And I want to help you get a very high opt-in rate because you're buying traffic. So it's only right that you get feedback on your traffic, right? So that's what I want to help you to do. And I want you to understand your leads and conversion rates and how to track them, right? Because that's very important. If you're not tracking your stats, then you're blowing money. You're throwing money down the drain. A lot of people don't know how to track, don't do it the right way. So I'm here to help you to do that. So that way you don't have a learning curve when it comes to traffic, right? I also want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So that's what happens when you buy traffic from me. And how this all works is in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the traffic package that works best for you. And then we do a campaign review. And basically we go over your campaign. We go over the strategies that you can use to actually get results and how you can increase your results online. So, pretty much I want you to also get high opt-in rates, but I want you to also understand marketing, right? Which is very important. A lot of people really struggle with understanding the core concepts of marketing to actually get results, right? They may say, I may have been in marketing for years, like 10, 20 years, but they may have been struggling, right? And my goal is to, get the tech overwhelm out of your life, right? And help you to understand how to do this the right way in a simplistic form. And so in step 3, we review your campaign and we launch it within 72 hours. So, 3 days, your campaign will start. If you don't book a call, if you book a call, it will start after the call. So it's possible that the campaign could start after the call, which could be after the 3-day period, depending on when you're able to get an appointment with me, right? So here's the first testimonial right here. 90% opt-in rate with 98% tier 1 and 3 sales on 200 clicks. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so you can take a look at this for yourself. And then here's 100% tier 1, so pick the package that works best for you. Here's the frequently asked questions. So you have any questions, concerns, comments, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. So make sure you take a look at this. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no fake bots, no clicks, no fake clicks, no bots. 100% real traffic and 100% real people who really want what you have to offer, right? So I will do whatever I can to compensate you in traffic. If you have any issues whatsoever, leave a message down here or write me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I will be happy to help you. The one thing that I can't do is I can't issue refunds, so understand that all issues are final when you order from me because it is paid traffic. So I can't issue refunds, but I can help you to actually get the results that you want to get. And so if you're ready to get results in your business, make sure you click on the link below this video. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any videos that I upload. Also get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.